Hey, what's good, 3K family? It's your boy DJ 3000, aka 3K. And look, it's gonna be a real short and simple video. I'm gonna show y'all how to import MIDI files into FL Studio 20. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it.
Defense officials in Cumberland told you that the murder victim showed evidence of that.
Alright, so look, the very first thing you want to do is you want to get your MIDI files. I know that sounds so simple, but trust me, I have to break this down even for the people who are not experienced. So like I said, the first thing you got to do is get your MIDI files. Now, the best place that I know of to get your MIDI files has got to be dj3000.com. That's DJ number 3, spell out the word 1000.com. And once you get here, you have the option of choosing 3K sound kits, or you go to 3K memberships. I'll get into the memberships later. For now, we're gonna go to 3K sound kit. You have the options of choosing from my Lil Baby series and my Young Boy series. These are 808 MIDI kits. I will release a new MIDI kit every single week. I have volume 1, 2, and 3. I've completed 2 series. Okay. Now getting on to let's just say, for example, you chose the bundle. You could buy each one individually for 10, for 30, or you can get the bundle for 20. Let's just say you want to go and get the bundle. And you heard the preview, you seen what it was about, you seen this got really good reviews on BeatStars. Let's just say you added it to the cart for 20. It'll have you create an account. Let's say you checked out, you downloaded the files, and you're not for sure what to do from here. Okay, from here, once you've downloaded the files, I recommend that you have a Zip Explorer. I recommend WinRAR. I've been using WinRAR since I was like 11 or 12 years old, maybe even younger. You don't gotta pay for it. It's free. It will bring up a prompt for you to pay for it. You do not have to. I've been using this for years and have not paid for it. I'm not proud of it. I will eventually pay for it, just not right now. So, just being honest. However, once you open up WinRAR, you should see a file that says Lil Baby 808 MIDI Kit Bundle, and it's gonna have some numbers and it's gonna say zip at the end. Or you might have got the Young Boy kit. Let's just say you got the Lil Baby kit. You would double click on that and you'll see Lil Baby 808 MIDI Kit Bundle. If you did not get the bundle, you will see Lil Baby 808 MIDI Kit with number 1, number 2, and number 3, whichever one you got. If you would just highlight it just like this, whichever one you got. You would right click and you would go copy files to clipboard. Now I would keep this open in case you got to come back to it. And I would go down here to my file explorer. I would open it, and you want to put this in a place where you are not going to forget where you put your files. Let's just say, for example, I'm going to hit the desktop and I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to call this, let's just call it 3K MIDI kits. And I'm putting it on my desktop to make it real simple so that you can visually see it. It's called 3K MIDI kits. And I'm going to open it, right click, and I'm going to paste. And it is now in there. Okay, so now I can close this, and I see 3K MIDI kits right here. If I open it again, 3K Lil Baby 808 MIDI Kit Bundle. And if I open that, I can see MIDI Kit number 1, number 2, and number 3. And inside each one, there are 13 different patterns. They're all originally made by me. I did not get this from anybody else on all of these. Okay, next thing I would do is I would load up FL. This is just the first thing that opens if you don't have any kind of specific startup. You would go up to options. You would then go to file settings, and assume this right here isn't here. Assume this isn't here. This is where I got my actual the path to my MIDI kits and everything else. Let's just say this is empty. You would click on one of the rows that is blank. Yours should be completely blank, or unless you've already done this, you just maybe forgot, you should probably see something here. So click on a folder with a row that has nothing in it. Okay, I'm now gonna go to where I put the files for the MIDI kits that I just put onto the desktop. So I'm gonna go on my computer, go to desktop. I'm gonna go to 3K MIDI kits, and I'm going to not open it. I'm just gonna highlight it like that and go to select folder. that is going to select the path for me. As you can see now, it says C drive, users, DJ3000, OneDrive, desktop, Midi Kit. That is the exact path of where I put the Midi Kit. So now I'm going to collapse the structure, this button right here with the arrow. I'm going to reread the structure. So that rereading, what it does is it allows you to refresh all of the files that you have connected to the FL as a path. So now if I look, I see 3K Midi Kits. If I come over to 3K Midi Kits and I click it, I can see the Midi Kits that I just imported into FL. And if I click on that, I can see Midi Kit number 1, number 2, and number 3 of the Lil Baby series. And if I click on, let's just say I click on Midi Kit number 3. Okay. This isn't an 808 I would use. However, it's the 808 that comes with FL. And let's just play this on here. What you would do is you would take the pattern of your choice and you would drag it over to the 808. Oh, that's an 808 kick. Actually, you know what? Here, how about this? How about, so I'm going to collapse my structure. You don't have to do this. I'm going to get something where you can actually hear what this sounds like. So I'm going to go to 3K kits, drum kits, 808. I'm going to go to my spins, put this on here. And I like to just do a little bit to the spins. I'm going to put this on about maybe somewhere around 40. I'm going to go over here, put this to about 80. About somewhere right there. And I'm going to, drum kit will be dropping soon. I'm going to go to cut itself. All right. Now I'm going to go back to exactly where I was. Okay, so I'm going to go to kits, 3K kits. Excuse me. That's the one that I normally do. I'm going to go to 3K Midi Kits, a Lil Baby 808 Midi Kit bundle. And I'm going to go to number 3. And let's just say I use pattern number 3. So now I'm going to go over here and drag the pattern to here. Another way you could do it is just say that you right clicked on the sound and you want the piano roll. You can also do it this way. So I'm going to extend this out to where I can see everything. And if you wanted to just say drag pattern 7, pattern 10, pattern 12, pattern 1, I'm gonna go back to 3. I think this is one of my favorite ones actually. I was turned when I made this one. Like 3, I went crazy on 3. 3, I just went crazy. I just love it to death. Kit number 3 in general. It was the last Lil Baby one I made, and I wanted to make sure I got every idea that I could out. All right, so all I would do from here is, let me go ahead and set my BPM. So for these 808 midis, what I did was I want to make sure that these were around maybe 136 BPM to about like 155, 160 at the fastest. Maybe something like that. Probably around like 146, 148, 144. Let's just say 146. I would just hit play. Boom. All right, and there you go. And if I want to add another one, pattern 7. I want to go one more to 10. All right, and there you go. And that right there is the simplest way I can explain how to import MIDI files into FL Studio 20. Now, I will say this. I'm going to go back to the website real quick, and I'm going to tell you this real quick before I forget. If you do come to the site, remember I said you had the option of going to 3K Sound Kits or 3K memberships. If you, like I said, if you do go to 3K Sound Kits, you can buy each one of these individually as a volume. You can get number 1, number 2, or number 3 individually for $10 a piece, and that's $30. Trying to save y'all some money. So I had some of y'all hit me up on IG saying, hey man, you know, could you cut me a deal? Like if I buy these many, like can I get maybe like 5 or 10 off? I said, you know what, bro, I'll give you 10 off. I'll give you 10 off. So I made it into a bundle and I set it up like that. So you could get it all 3 for a series for 20 bucks, or you could either click on 3K memberships right here or right here. And you can go here and you can get 1 kit individually for $5 a piece. And if you got 3 like that, that's 15 bucks. So you can save even more. This is a monthly fee. It allows you to get 1 free sound kit per month. It's only $5 a month. You can cancel at any time. You can cancel this membership at any time you choose. You can cancel it as soon as you get your Midi Kit. All you got to do is once you logged in to BeatStars and you've got your account pulled up, let me see. Let me go ahead and do it. Okay. And okay, once you sign into BeatStars, you are going to click on your account and you're going to come down to membership. And it's going to have your download history, your payment history. It's going to have every time that you've done a membership, and it's going to show you which ones are active, which ones are not active, and it's going to have the option to cancel. It's going to be a blue and white button that says cancel. You click cancel, it's going to send you a confirmation letting you know that you are canceled from the membership and you will no longer be charged. Remember, like I said, if you do it this way, however, you can only get one per month. So you can't get all 3 in 1 month. So you got to wait 1 time a month. However, that is what some people like. Like I said, I'm going to drop a new kit every single week. So you have 4 kits that you could pretty much pick from that are completely new for the entire month. So other than that, man, that's pretty much it. Hey, hit a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe. You know, let me know down in the comments what you think. The links for the site will be down in the description below and in the comments section. Other than that, bro, I appreciate y'all for checking out the video, and man, peace.
Cumberland told